Hi everybody! I hope you're all having a good day. I hope you're all smiling and enjoying your lovely day. In this following tutorial, I'll be showing you on how to set up custom FPS for Warudo. So when you go into the settings right here, and then you go to general and you scroll down and you check the limit FPS, you may notice that there's only a certain amount of numbers you can choose from. Let's say, for example, for stylistic purposes or optimization reasons, you want to go for a lower FPS, maybe like 24 FPS for example, or again stylistic 12 FPS for something for VTubing if you want. Well, there's a way we can do that. Simply go over to the Discovery tab, type in frame in the search bar, and press on the plugin button right here. And then you're going to find Vtuber's plugin for the custom frame limiter. Click on that, and then simply go ahead and click on the subscribe button right here. And then give it some time for it to download. Once you have that downloaded, you're going to exit out of it once you're able to. Come on, let me exit out of this freaking thing. There you go. And then what you're going to do is that on menu here, go to settings, and then you're going to go and scroll down and find the limit frames setting here. You can be able to set the frame rate target to anything like 24 FPS, or even 10 FPS, or 30. So you have more customization of the frame rate to your choice, which is really nice. You can, of course, as well go into blueprints. Let's add a blueprint right here. Rename this to FPS toggle. Click on OK. And then let's type in frame, set target frame rate. And from here, you can actually, toggle the different frame rate amounts. So let's say whether you're Stream Deck, you'll use trigger, or if you are keyboard, so keystroke on keystroke press, you can be able to have it where, regardless of Stream Deck or keystroke, you can be able to set it where you can have a toggle for 60 FPS, and then you can even hold the control button, control C, then control V to duplicate, and then set this to, let's say, 24 FPS for fun. You can toggle the different frame rate amount and such. So there you go. And then I can go from pressing 1, so it's a lot more smoother, and then 2 for something a bit more, not so smooth, but, kind of, I guess, preference. But yeah, that's pretty much how you can toggle the FPS and how you can have a custom FPS for Warudo. I hope that this helps you out, and have a lovely day. See you guys next time. Bye bye! Thank you to all my Snowflake members. In case you don't know, I have YouTube membership, so if you want to further support this channel and what I do, then feel free to join the Snowflake members. Otherwise though, just your support means so much to me, and I appreciate every ounce of it. Either way though, with that being said though, hey, goodbye everyone! I hope to see you guys next time, okay? Bye bye!